When you're first getting acquainted with a ketogenic diet, there's a lot to learn. One of the first things to wrap your head around is the concept of macros and using the keto calculator. While these might sound like foreign terms, don't worry, we're going to help break them down for you so you can prepare for your new diet with confidence. So, what is a macro? The word is a shortened version of the word macronutrients, which are the various types of nutrients we need to stay alive. For humans, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are the macronutrients that give us energy and sustenance through calories. But all macros aren't created equal. Carbs and protein supply 4 calories of energy per gram, and fat consists of 9 calories per gram. Each macro, carbs, protein, and fat can be converted into energy, and the body uses each one in different ways. For our purposes, let's look at how each macro has a specific impact on the body's ability to produce ketones. Fats have a very small amount of glucose and are 90% ketogenic and 10% anti-ketogenic. Because insulin levels rise after eating specific amino acids, proteins are generally around 46% ketogenic and 54% anti-ketogenic. Carbohydrates, which raise both blood glucose and insulin, are 100% anti-ketogenic and shut down ketone production. Proteins and fats are crucial for the body to function. For instance, proteins are essential for maintaining and building muscle mass. Dietary fats help cell production and the absorption of nutrients from other foods. But although the modern mainstream diet is full of carbs, they're the one thing you really don't need in your diet. Yes, sugars are important for energy, but thanks to a metabolic process in the liver called gluconeogenesis, glucose can be made from glycerol, which is found in fat, and gluconeogenic amino acids from protein. This is why people on the keto diet can consume so few carbs and still feel fantastic. Now that we have a basic understanding of what macros are, the next step is to figure out how many of each type you should be eating each day. We can easily do this with the help of the keto calculator, a simple to use tool you can find right here on RuledMe. The keto calculator is basically like a survey. You put in your age, gender, weight, height, body fat percentage, and level of daily activity, and it will crunch the numbers to figure out your macros for you. For instance, a moderately active 45-year-old female with a height of 5 foot 4 inches, weighing 170 pounds with 30% body fat is advised to eat 1,513 calories each day. Those calories are broken down into the following macros: 106 grams of fat, 20 grams of net carbs, and 119 grams of protein. As you lose weight at about every 10 to 15 pounds, it's important to revisit the keto calculator to make sure your macros are up to date. Tracking your macros is one of the fundamental keys to success in a keto diet. With such a big shift in the types of foods that you're eating, trying to keep all the numbers straight each day can be tricky without the help of a tracking tool. We like calorie tracking smartphone apps like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer. These apps help you keep an eye on portion size, find carbs hidden in foods you wouldn't expect, and keep you honest when it comes to those extra bites and snacks that can really add up and prevent success. These apps will need to be configured to suit the parameters of a keto diet, but don't sweat it. There's an article on RuledMe titled "The Easiest Way to Track Carbs on a Keto Diet" that will show you exactly how to do this. Each person's individual goals are different, so meal sizes and macros are not the same for everyone on a keto diet. That's why we do strongly suggest using a calorie tracking app and RuledMe's carb tracking guide to help you figure out the macronutrient content of your meals. Remember, it's a process. By tracking your macros, you'll be able to make the adjustments you need and fine-tune your diet to achieve your goals. There's one other really important thing to know about macros. Messing up or making a mistake isn't the end of the world. If you forget to track your macros, eat too many carbs, or just have a bad day, don't be too hard on yourself or give up. Dieting is a long-term lifestyle change, and mistakes are opportunities for us to learn. By choosing to embark on the journey of a ketogenic diet, you've already taken a huge step towards a healthier and more energized you. Thanks so much for watching. Keep checking RuledMe for everything you want to know about following a keto diet. We've got more great videos, meal plans and recipes, blog posts, testimonials, and so much more to help you get started and stay on track.